we go.
Of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency.
Got just in time.
Yep.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Okay.
Okay.
All done?
Yep.
Okay, that's it. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, go back to bed.
I'll see you at 5 p.m. at when the internet's turned on.
Yes, Effie. Can I change it now?
After the scroll banner.
Okay, after the school banner son.
An emergency alert system participant has issued a required weekly test for the following counties or areas: Butler, Dodge, Jefferson, Johnson, Lancaster, Nemaha, Odo, Pawnee, Platte, Richardson, Saline, Seward, Saunders, Seward, York, Nebraska at 2:17 a.m. on November 27th, 2024, in effect till 2:32 a.m.
There it goes again.
Yeah,
It goes like 3 times, doesn't it?
yeah. This was EAS number 17. And also plus a weekly test 11:15. Lincoln, Nebraska channel.
Are they going to have a weekly test at 11:15 in the morning
Yes,
today? You got your weather radios armed?
yes,
Okay. Okay. That's it.
that's it.
Good night.
Okay.
What?
I heard the weekly test.
Yes, I heard it too. Now go to bed, go to sleep. Okay, please? Good night. Love you.
That's a participant voice.
Yes, a participate voice.
That was EAS number 17.
17. Okay, it's almost through 30. Now go to bed.
It's very early weekly test.
Yes,
Stay tuned for EAS number 18.
Okay.
At 11:15.
yes. Yes, Jeffrey.
So that means said?
What?
What that means said on the end of the video?
I don't know.
To say that's
That's it. That's it.
it.
Good night.
Good night.